Good morning, viewer. Bien sûr, here's the most amazing news here. In a revolutionary new study, a group of conservationists and scientists have demonstrated that by preserving a small fraction of the Earth's surface, we can protect the remaining biodiversity. This cost-effective and feasible strategy could help save the most endangered species from extinction, ensuring the protection of Earth's wildlife for generations to come. Yeah, most species on Earth are rare, meaning that species either have very narrow ranges or they occur at very low densities or both, said Dr. Eric Danenstein of the NGO Resolve, lead author of the article in Frontiers in Science. And rarity is very concentrated. Yeah, in our study, zooming in on this rarity, we found that we need only about 1.2% of the Earth's surface to hit off the sixth great extinction of life on Earth. To meet ambitious conservation goals, an additional 1.2 million square kilometers of land were protected between 2018 and 2023. But do this new conservation area effectively protect critical biodiversity? Dalston and his colleagues estimated that the 2018 to 2023 expansion already recovered 0.11 million square kilometers with range-limited and threatened species. Planning protected areas is crucial, ensuring that we target our efforts and resources as effectively as possible. The scientists started by mapping the entire world using 6 layers of global biodiversity data. By combining these layers of data with maps of existing protected areas and a fractional land cover analysis using satellite images to identify the remaining habitat available to rare and threatened species. Yeah, the scientists were able to identify the most critical, currently unprotected areas of biodiversity. They call this conservation imperatives, a global blueprint to help countries and regions plan conservation at a more local level. These 16,825 sites covering approximately 164 MHA could prevent all predicted extinctions if they are adequately protected. Just protecting the sites found in the tropics could have upmost predicted extinction. Yeah, 38% of conservation imperatives are also very close to already protected areas, which could make it easier to absorb them into protected areas or to find other ways to conserving. These sites are home to over 4,700 threatened species in some of the world's most biodiverse yet threatened ecosystems, said Andeli of Resolve, a co-author. These include not only mammals and birds that rely on large intact habitats like the tamaraw in the Philippines and the Celebes crested macaw in Sulawesi, Indonesia, but also range-restricted amphibians and rare plant species too. BNS exclusive report.